Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can add a payment method to Google Play. So if you're new to the channel and you find this helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we need to do first is come across to the Google Play Store. And when we're here, we need to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner. And then we want to click onto Payment Methods a bit down the menu, just under the Account button. So this is where you add the payment method. Depending on the country you're in, would depend on what payment method you can add. But you can see if I scroll down, you've got, for my country, you can add a credit or debit card. You've got the option to add PayPal, and you can also use O2 billing as a couple of examples. O2 billing is basically where they would add it to my phone bill, because I'm with O2, which is my network service provider. And literally that would just be added to my bill, and I would pay that when I get my next phone bill from O2. So yeah, this is where you come to add a payment method. If you found that helpful, drop a like on the video and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And if you do want to help the Digital Tutor channel's growth and support further, there is a link in the video description where you can buy the team here a nice cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.